Reducing manual interaction for government transactions, Marikina City has endorsed a contactless system through digitalization. The local government also aims to eradicate fixers and other forms of corruption. Catherine Landicho returns.
Marikina City government under the leadership of Mayor Maan Teodoro is intensifying efforts to digitalize government transactions in a bid to provide faster, more transparent, and more efficient public services. Mayor Teodoro emphasized that this move is more than just a system upgrade. It is a vital reform aimed at eliminating red tape and improving government integrity.
Na ipupush natin ang digitization sa lahat ng serbisyo, pati pagbabayad ng multa, pag-a-apply ng permit, gusto po natin digitalize na. Ngayon, nagsimula na tayo sa masusing pagsusuri ng lahat ng mga proseso sa City Hall o isang process audit. Isa-isa nating inaaral kung paano mas mapapadali ang mga hakbang at paano mapapabilis ang turnaround time o bilis sa pagkuha ng mga dokumentong kailangan ng ating mga kababayan.
The city government is now implementing contactless systems for essential services such as the processing of business permits and other official documents, minimizing the need for physical visit to government offices. Mayor Teodoro noted that reducing manual transactions and face-to-face interactions will help eliminate common issues such as fixers and other forms of corruption, thus safeguarding the rights of every citizen to fair and equal access to government services. This digitalization drive is part of the Marikina's broader commitment to good governance, transparency, and innovations in public service. This is Catherine Landicho for EuroTV News.